everyone, it is your girl Justine, and I'm coming at you all with a new video. So I don't know about you guys, but I can't tell you guys how much money I spend on hair ties for my hair. Every time I go to the dollar store, I see a pack and I'm like, oh, I need that, because either I've misplaced them, I've lost them, they broke, or they're nowhere when I need them. And needless to say, I end up spending, $1. And over time, who knows how much money I've spent on buying hair elastics, only to be disappointed when it doesn't wrap around as many times as I would like it to, or it's not holding my hair as tight as I need it to be, or whatever the case is. There's always something, right? And so, a while ago, these hair ties came out, and I liked them. My husband liked them for his hair as well. And we just love that, it didn't really go anywhere on your hair. Like, it just kind of held your hair back and it was perfect. And so, of course, because we like them, when we go to buy them now, we don't see them at the dollar store. And if you go anywhere else, I feel like they do sell them, but they're they're priced really high, and it's like, why am I gonna spend $6-7 on 4 elastics that aren't even gonna last me for that long? So fret no more. We found a solution to that, and it has been helping us out ever since. So basically, we went on ahead and ordered our very own spool of fold over elastic, is what this is called. Fold over elastic. So we ordered this off of Amazon, and we paid $12.99 for it. This is 50 yards worth of this fold over elastic. And what else? Yeah, so we paid $12.99 for it. We got it in the color black, and we have been excited ever since then. I can't tell you how many headbands I've made, how many elastics I've made for our hair, my hair, my husband's hair. And when I can't find them, I just go right over to the spool, pull a piece out as long as I need it to be, and voila, I have a hair tie. So this is 50 yards. This is enough to last us a lifetime. This stuff is amazing. For anyone out there with locks, loose natural hair, whatever the case is, if you are looking for an alternative, you're looking for a solution to all those broken hair ties, not being able to find them, this is your solution, okay? This is your solution. So what I like about the fold over elastic material is that it is super flexy. It's super, elastic. It's very, it's very, the elasticity is on point. What else I like about it is that it is kind of almost like squarish, rectangulish, as you can see. So one of the issues I have with the round hair ties is when I use them to hold my hair back, sometimes they slip down, or, I just kind of feel like I don't like the way it's holding my hair. With these, because of it being a rectangle or whatever, I don't know, that square-like shape, I just feel like it does so much of a better job when it comes to holding my hair. So I'm going to show you guys what I do when I make my hair ties. So now pretty much all you need if you're going to do this is some scissors and your spool of elastic, fold over elastic. Another thing that I do is okay, I'll tell you guys that a little later. So basically, I don't even really use a ruler or anything to measure my head or anything like that. I kind of just eyeball it, and I'll just go like this and see how long of a piece I need. So, and just when I, long enough that it's going to be comfortable to fit around my head, and at the same time, be a little snug so that it does the job in holding my hair back. So this is good for me right here. So this is how much I'm going to cut. So I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to just simply cut right there. Perfect. And there it is. So then with the fold over elastic hair ties like in the store when you find them. All it is that they have a little knot at the end, and that's what holds it together. So I literally take a knot, we'll put a knot in it. So I'm gonna put my knot and then just pull. So there's what the ends look like, and there is my headband. So this is a headband particularly. I made this so that I could wear it when my hair is down to hold all my hair back. When you cut the material, it kind of frays a little bit. So if you, you know, are into like making your own clothing or whatever, there is a liquid that you can put on that seals it, that will allow it to not fray like that. But I simply just use a lighter, and I will just kind of just run it along the ends like that really quick, and it kind of just holds it in place. You know how we used to do back in the day when you would burn the edges of the extensions to make sure you could hold those braids in place, right? And there it is, simple as that. And this is mine. Like I said, this was only $12.99. So when I think about, when I'm doing the math and thinking about how many hair ties I've bought over the years, like literally every single time I go to the dollar store, mostly the dollar store, that's where I'm always like, oh, I need this, I need that. And I'm buying like 5 packs. Ask me where all those hair ties are. I don't even know. So that adds up when I just paid one time $12.99 for that spool. And yeah. And not only am I able to make hair ties for myself, but I'm also able to make them for my husband. The good thing with that this fold over elastic is that you can use that for making obviously headbands, hair ties, like you can do so many different things with it. It's amazing. So as you can see, I just took my hair down, and I'm gonna put this on so you guys could see the magic. But just so you guys could see like how good it is when it comes to holding my hair back. If I could put it on without hurting myself. So yeah. So yeah, there's that. And I got a lot of new growth going on. So that's what's in the front there. But yeah, so when I put my headbands on, I will either put them like very close like that to the front, or I'm gonna just put my head back a little. I'll pull it back. And I don't like my headbands to be too tight. One of the ways I like to do it is wear my hair like that. So I gotta actually fix this a little. And that's the good thing with being able to measure it out. You can determine how tight and how loose you want it. I don't like my hair to be very tight, so making it super loose is important for me. But there it is. That's pretty much when I wear my hair bands, how I like it to be on my head, and just being able to hold my hair back like this. So it's super cool. And then the best thing is when I make, so I have a couple that I've made already. I don't have them to show. I'm gonna make another one, but then when I make my ponytail holders, that is also one of the things that I like. So I just eyeball how much I need. So I'm gonna hold it and then maybe just pull it and see, okay, am I able to wrap it around twice? Usually that's how I like it for my ponytails, being able to just wrap it around twice. So I'm going to cut, and there's my hair tie. So I'm going to simply knot it, again, as you guys can see, and then just pull. And there it is. Same situation with the ends fraying. I'm going to just take my lighter and quickly do that. Obviously, please be careful when you do that. And there is that. So now I'm going to take this one out and show you guys me doing my ponytail. I'm going to do a quick ponytail. So bear with me here. And remember, I like it doubled twice to hold my hair up. So I'm going to put my hair forward. Okay, so now that I've got the hair positioned how I like, just about how I like. I'm gonna get it into the ponytail holder. So this is real easy and simple. And yeah, fan out my hair. You guys know how I like it. If you haven't, please check out my how to ponytail video. Super simple and easy. One of the ways I've been loving to rock my hair lately. And yeah, there is my own ponytail holder. And I keep the spool in the bathroom. Typically, that's where I'm doing my hair. And so if I am going to do a ponytail and I'm like, oh my gosh, where's my hair tie? I don't have to worry. The spool is right here. I literally just go get my scissors and cut and I'm good to go. Yes. So anyhow, I hope this video was super helpful to anyone out there. Again, like I said, if you are sick and tired of losing your hair ties and you just want peace of mind, that is what you need to do. Get you a spool, a fold over elastic, and yeah, just be able to make your own hair ties on the fly. Like, look at that. So hopefully you guys found that super helpful. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Please be sure to leave a comment, subscribe if you have not, follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.